said I was right.
Yes.
Grandma, I was right. The bird wants to lay an egg.
An egg.
An egg. I was right. I was very right. Last time.
Can you imagine? The plantain has matured.
There are lots of sticks and paper stuff. Well, I know this is what they make
If the
it
thing is
out
fine, it will be looking small, but when it comes down, looks big. Which way?
of. Mud too.
And you go down the lane.
Oh my God.
You both are so no ukura people.
Look at
The
chick is still forming.
Yeah, the chick is still forming. Oh my
You
God.
couldn't have let it so that it can be turned into a chicken or something.
It's not
But
chicken,
it's
it's bird.
clear. It's a bird.
No, you couldn't have left it to turn into a bird.
I just see him say make I call you. Now they can't wait you they like.
See, it's still moving. It's still moving. Oh.
It's moving.
Mm.
It's moving actually, Grandma, because the little bird is forming.
It's still moving.
Ew!
Oh my God.
Look at the blood. Ew!
The little bird is coming. Oh! I'm not gonna kill you.
Oh wow.
It's mistake now. Did I know there's a bird nest there?
The bed nest. Look at the eggs. Ew! The blood is coming. Ew! That one you can see. This is my first time seeing this.
Oh
What's
my
it
God. Nothing though.
My first time seeing
This one is.
It's moving. Looks like it wants to hatch, but it's not.
It's actually moving in there. Wow, look at this one. Oh my God. Kill this mosquito for me. Kill this mosquito on my leg. Yeah, you did it.
Alive. Ew, they're moving.
Where are they?
They are on the
I
ground.
must have covered them with things. Plantain.
Look at the little one.
You want to be covered too?
No.
Eh?
No.
Okay.
Wow.
The little one is just the yellow thing.